My name is Mike Aleto. Our company is Aleto Construction Group. We run the company that my father started in 1955. When he retired, we took over the business from him. We serve just about anybody you can imagine. First-time home buyers. We do remodeling, empty nesters, just about anything that you can imagine, we do it. 90% of our business is on referrals. So that's about the best way you can market yourself. In our business, construction, integrity is everything. All you hear about on the news is bad stories about construction. So if we're able to do our work with pride and integrity, and people are going to recommend us, I think that's pretty much about the best that you can ask for. So winning the Torch Award for my company and the way that we do business is something that we are extremely proud of.